Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Vinay Badwa. I'm a junior doctor working in the intensive care unit, and today I'm going to share 7 tips with you on how to stay healthy when isolating. Tip number 1, exercise. I know it's difficult to exercise when you're isolating, but there are a lot of apps out there that you can download on your phone or iPad. I'm actually using Fitbit Premium right now, and it's really good, full of lots of workouts. And no, they're not sponsoring this video. Tip number 2, eat a healthy, balanced diet full of fruits and vegetables. A lot of studies have shown that diets that are deficient in micronutrients, such as iron, copper, selenium, vitamin A, C, and E, lead to immunodeficiencies. So make sure you're having all those fruits and vegetables. Tip number 3, sleep well. Sleeping well improves your immune system, so make sure you're getting your 8 hours of sleep every day. And if you have spare time, which let's be honest, if you're watching this video you do, then read this book called Why We Sleep. It's amazing. I read it last month and I think it changed my life. Tip number 4, do not smoke. It's not good for your health anyway, but with coronavirus it's even worse for you because you have a higher chance of getting adverse symptoms from the disease. Tip number 5, on a more serious note, look after your mental well-being. If the news gives you anxiety, don't check the news all the time. Try and keep yourself busy. Maybe you always wanted to learn a new language. You could do that now, or read a book, or watch some movies on Netflix. It doesn't matter, just keep yourself busy. You also have the opportunity to spend time with friends and family on social media, so you could do that as well. Tip number 6. This is a really important one. Make sure you're following the government guidelines for isolation. Please do not leave your house unless you absolutely have to. And tip number 7, wash your hands. Wash your hands for a good 20 seconds and wash them all the time. You have nothing else to do in the house anyway, so you might as well wash your hands. Do it. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.